Meta's wristband reads your mind. Here is what they are not telling you. I have made a video about it and I did not discuss that, but I'm going to further discuss everything you need to know about this wristband from Meta that reads your mind. This could actually replace your keyboard, your mouse, and also it could also replace your phone. And this is actually just going to start by you putting on a bracelet on your hand, and this is going to read your intentions before you even make the move. Now let me show you guys exactly what this means, and personally I think this is actually a cool gadget. Now this Meta's sEMG wristband, it uses electromyography to detect your electrical signals from your muscles before your physical movements. You think about tapping your finger and then the wristband knows you are about to tap your finger. You intend to swipe or type and it translates it into a command. It is like a sci-fi brain computer interface, but it's actually cool and it works. And also there is also a Meta chip. If you remember, I'm going to talk that on a different section, but here is actually the crazy part. You don't even need to make that move. No gesture, no touch, or even a speech, just an intention. So you get it right, you just need to make an intention. It's a game changing for gaming, AR, accessibility, or even how we build interface. And it also raises a question: are we ready for the tech that predicts what we are about to do? This is crazy and also scary, because if you come to think of hackers getting control of this. Now let's not go into that. Let's just move on. Inside the wrist, 16 gold palleted dry electrodes. This tracks your alpha motor neuron activities that actually fires right before your muscle moves. Meta feeds the signal into the AI trained on thousands of users, meaning on calibration. Now, no learning curve. What that means? What does that mean for you? Air typing at 20 plus word per minute. That is massive. Cursor control with your wrist. App switching just by tapping your finger in the air. This is interesting. The use case that will also blow up. Now, imagine the tech in the world. AI glasses, you tap into the thumb or launch an application, and then for gaming, you just cast spell with the flip of your finger, and then accessibility, you control the device without even lifting a finger. I think this is also very interesting, and also for people that are actually missing a limb or so, they would be able to make use of this. So I think this is interesting. What they are actually not telling us here is actually what the big channels are not saying. Now, this is about the power of prediction. Meta are just replacing the mouse. They are laying the foundation for invisible computer. No screen, no button, just intentions and actions. Just intentions into actions. That actually opens the door to data tracking, privacy risk, and new ethical debate. I think this is very risky, but so while this is also mind-blowing and cool, we should also ask how much of our intents we are ready to give up, because it's just going to like expose us to the world, because it knows what you are thinking, it knows your intention and everything. So let's assume somebody, the regular way they can get into your email, somebody sends you a link, and then so let's assume you are thinking of clicking on it, but you haven't decided. You open it, you thought of clicking on it, and then you click on the email because you're already thinking about it, and then this. There are so many ways that this could actually have so many disadvantages, but I think based on the one that you put on your brain, this is way better than the one you put on your brain. But the fact that this is going to be very helpful to a lot of people, I do think it still needs an improvement and it needs a lot of security. So if they are thinking about the security, I think that is going to make it work better. But if they don't think about the security and that careless about it, this is going to like mess up a lot of people's activities, but as well as be very useful, just like the AI is very useful, and also making a lot of people lose job, as well as making some people get job done faster. So there is always the pros and cons of any tech product. So this is just another wearable, just like every wearable, your AirPod, your wristwatch, and so So you just need to keep an eye on the meta muscle signal brands, because in 2 or 3 years, this could actually be in your everyday life. Yes, a lot of people are going to start making the use of this even before that 2 years or 3 years. So guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. And I would like to know what you think about this technology. And also, I would like to know what you think about this content style. This is not like a tutorial. And I'm going to be doing more content like this in the future. So let me know if this helped you. And also, do not forget, you can also visit tstechtalk.com to read my blog. I also make blog posts on tutorials, news, and content like this. I don't always post content like this on my channel, but I always post them on the website, so you can always check the website and you read more. And also follow me on X. I also have an X account. And guys, I really appreciate. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.